Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called CloudzPro, which is an all-in-one platform that allows users to store, backup, share and host unlimited files, images and videos in the cloud for life at unbeatable low one-time price. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses worth rupees $599 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.